What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this video is going to be a little bit different. If you don't know me, I am an analytical person. I love analytics. I am an analyst. My job is a financial analyst, so I love working with numbers, building different types of things in order to find different odds, different statistics, different metrics, all different types of things like that. And for this video, I wanted to do some of that on screen. I'm going to go over how you can win the lottery. Before I start, hit that like button because I did a lot of research for this video and it will help me out tremendously. So hit the like button. So the lottery, you want to win the lottery, you want to win millions of dollars, you want to be rich, you want to end up paying a lot in taxes. Maybe not that last part, but you want to get a lot of money, and the lottery is a way to do this. I think of it as a form of investing. A lot of other people think of it as you're just gambling away money, you're just giving away all of your money because the lottery is rigged, or your odds are so slim that you're never going to win anyways, right? But I found a way that you can win. So just like I said, I like to think of it as an investment. So when you invest in things, when you invest in your 401k, you're putting money aside for a long period of time. So you're taking, 5% of your income and you're putting it into a 401k for 30 plus years, 40 years, depending how many years that you're working at that job or working in general. When you do that, it's sitting there for 40 plus years, right? So you're expecting to get $1 million out of that, maybe $2 million, something like that. But in the lottery, it could be the same way. You can expect to get $1 million, you can expect to get $300 million, but you're investing the same way. So treat it just like you're investing, but you're investing with less money. So let me explain how you can win guaranteed and go on about your life being rich. So I basically have 4 steps that you need to take, you need to do in order to win the lottery. And I'm gonna go through that right now. The first step is you need to do your research on the most popular numbers that you can find. Out of the last 5 years, go find a way to do your research on the most popular numbers. My first time doing this research, I came out with the same numbers for pretty much all of the numbers in there. Now, this is strictly for the Mega Millions for me because of the fact that you're paying less and you have about the same odds as winning the Powerball. So Mega Millions and Powerball, I would go with the Mega Millions. No matter how high the Powerball is, go with the Mega Millions. So do your research. You want to do your research on the most popular numbers, combination of numbers, Mega Ball, everything that you could find possible. Do your research so it makes your odds that much better. If you don't do that, then you're never going to be able to win the lottery. A lot of people go and get random numbers and they say that you're going to win on random numbers. Yeah, you're going to win on random numbers. The jackpot, you're going to win on random numbers sometimes. Sometimes you might not. But there's a lot of other categories that you can win money with. So I'm going to put a link down below to the Mega Millions website to where you can do all of your research that you want to do on all of your numbers. And then once you get all of those numbers that you want to play, then you go into the next step. So basically you want to build a list of 5 set of numbers. So basically you're spending $5. If you're spending $5 every time you play the lottery, that's $10 a week, $40 a month. That's affordable money. That technically a lot of people will just end up gambling away at the casino if they wanted to. This is an investment. Treat it as an investment and then it'll pay off. So you want to get this list of 5 numbers. Why 5? Because it just ups your odds. When you have 5 numbers that you play every single week, it ups your odds to get, 2 numbers right, 3 numbers right, 4 numbers right, 5, the jackpot, whatever. It ups your odds, and the more odds you have in your favor, the better, obviously. Next, you're going to want to take these numbers and play them every single week. If you play them every week, then you have more of a chance to win. Number 4, it's not really a step, but you're going to want to enjoy your winnings. Take that money and put it into a high interest savings account and gain $20,000 each year. And if you can gain $20,000 each year, then you can take that money and do whatever you want with it and then keep the $1 million for retirement if you want. So you get to enjoy it. I believe last year the odds of winning the jackpot were at 1 in 260 million, and now they're at 1 in 302 million. So they upped it by quite a bit, basically to keep in track with the Powerball. I believe Powerball is somewhere around 292 million. So I mean, not too much of a difference between Mega Ball and Powerball. The only thing is that you're paying $2 for Powerball, $1 for Mega Ball. So let's dig into the numbers. The jackpot, like I said, is 1 in 302 million. This could be whatever prize they have as the jackpot. 5 numbers, which is $1 million, is 1 in 12.6 million. 4 numbers in the Mega Ball is $10,000. And the odds for that is 1 in 931,000. So it's getting better. The odds are getting better. Obviously, the numbers are going down. 4 numbers itself, you're getting $500. So obviously, the amount you're bringing in for having those numbers is going down. But the odds are also going down. Those odds are at 1 in 38,000. 3 numbers in the Mega Ball is at $200. The odds for that is 1 in 14,000. And then the rest are really small numbers. You get $10 for 3 numbers, $10 for 2 numbers and a Powerball. So the real question is, how does this method that I'm expressing benefit you? How does it guarantee you to win? Well, if you treat it as an investment, you're doing it over the long term. So you're doing it over the same length as you would a 401k, right? If you're investing in that every single week, you're putting money every single week, you're going to get a return eventually. Are you going to be positive for the first, 5 years? Maybe not. Maybe it might happen right away. In the first month, you might hit the jackpot or hit 5 numbers or whatever. If you're doing this method, basically you're taking those odds and you're multiplying them by 5 and then multiplying them by 2, because over the week you're doing it twice, and then multiplying that by 52. So if you look at it, it's 104 drawings for the year times 5. So you're getting 120 instances, 120 chances to win. And a lot of people look at it as you're only getting 1 chance to win. That's not necessarily true. You're getting 520 chances to win. And I understand the odds go up with every drawing. You're adding on extra millions to the end, but you're adding on 5 to the beginning. So instead of being 1 and 302 million, it should be 2 and 604 million, something like that. You're upping the odds, but if you look at it as a whole and you break down all the different numbers over the last year and you break down how many times different scenarios hit in the same year, you're going to be looking at a lot of different scenarios, and you can get to a point to where you have 1 number that didn't hit throughout the whole entire year. So that takes out a full combination from that. So every time a number hits, you're taking out that combination. So I look at it that way. You take out that combination and your odds go up. You add on more times that you're playing the lottery, your odds go up. So as long as you consistently play the same numbers, eventually your numbers are going to hit. But hopefully you like this analysis that I put together. If you do, hit the like button. Also comment down below and let me know what you think about this method, what videos you want me to do in the future. If you have any ideas on investing in the lottery, let's call it investing in the lottery, not playing the lottery. If you have any ideas on how you invest into the lottery, let me know, shoot me a comment down below. Also, hit that subscribe button. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.